All right, it's time for another rapid review from We Tried It Here. I have got my hands on the not even available yet, the performance shirt Reinvented by Woodies. Funny name, the performance shirt Reinvented, and even funnier brand name, Woodies. Insert your bad jokes here, but this is a brand new performance dress shirt they have just released. In fact, you can't even buy it yet. You can only check it out on Kickstarter. I'll put a link to where you can check it out on Kickstarter and our full review of this shirt. Now, I've had this shirt for about a week or so. I totally forgot about it. I totally forgot to have it on Kickstarter. I started filming this about an hour ago, and of course, the kiddo upstairs started crying, got sick. It's like the easiest reviews sometimes are the toughest to do. So I will make this quick. This is a performance dress shirt. Very similar in a lot of different ways to Mizzen and May. It says it's made from 100% cotton on the tag here. I don't know if it is. I'll check with my sources at Woodies to find out. But for a 100% cotton shirt, if that's really true, this shirt is amazing. In fact, even if it's 100% polyester, it is amazing. It has got a lot of flex and give. So if you're working out in your dress shirt, you have no problem with that. It is really lightweight, comfortable. Let me show you where this shirt was a couple hours ago. I literally had it balled up on my counter in my office because I totally forgot to do the review of this. But this is it, just on and right upstairs, turning it back down to clean and throw up. Didn't get anything on there, thankfully. But this shirt is a little bit different than most other shirts that I try because I usually get Mizzen and Main dress shirts. I'll put a link to my full review of that here. But Mizzen and Main dress shirts are almost all a very loud checkered pattern or stripe pattern or some sort of print. Why is that? Because it's easier to hide wrinkles on a shirt that is not solid. You see every single little, this is where it was folded. These wrinkles will come out just from your body heat. Give it 15, 20 minutes just wearing it anywhere. These wrinkles will come out, so don't worry about having to press this shirt. It is naturally wrinkle resistant, easier for me to say. It's also odor resistant, so you can wear it for several days. Now typically white shirts on me look see-through. And actually this shirt I actually am wearing an undershirt on. You can kind of sort of see it right here. Not nearly as see-through as some other white dress shirts that I've tried. But the bigger problem here, at least for me, TMI information, I am not Burt Reynolds. I do not have a giant flowing mane of hair, but the little hair I do have on my chest is very thick. And so it actually pokes through here if it's up against my chest. I'm a little self-conscious about it, so I don't like to shoot reviews with white shirts without an undershirt on. I do have that undershirt. It's actually designed to be worn underneath dress shirts from Mack Weldon that's here. But this shirt is awesome. It's super comfortable. You can back the Kickstarter now for, I think it's like 89 bucks what the shirt starts at. It's gonna be about double that for retail. But here's the game-changing feature. Besides the fact that it's solid, besides the fact that it's wrinkle resistant, it's antimicrobial and doesn't stink, is that they guarantee that your Woodies shirt, that is, will fit you perfectly. That's because you go through a whole bunch of steps to figure out what the exact right fit of shirt is for you. When I was putting this together, I answered these questions on the website. And even when I got this shirt sent to me, it came with all the different measurements that I had inputted. And what does that mean? It means you get a custom fit shirt that really only fits you. I am blessed or cursed, whatever you want to say, with rather short legs and a rather long torso. And so for me, my shirts actually, like the no tuck it shirts, they like typically the last button ends here. And if I don't wear an undershirt, you see my belly button underneath there. So my shirts have to be just slightly longer than the average shirt for someone that's my size, about 5'9", 5'10" on a good day. I will do a little turn around here so you can see the whole shirt in action. No real branding on this shirt, except for this Woodies logo right here. And that's pretty much it. A whole bunch of different options that you can choose from. Now, I reached out to Woodies. I said, hey, it's kind of poking through, what should I do about that? They said, we'll send you another one of the shirts that is actually a darker color, which I recommend if you do have some chest hair and you don't want to poke through. Otherwise, you can just wear an undershirt. I don't like wearing undershirts for one reason. It means it's another piece of clothing I have to have clean and pack with me. If I can not wear an undershirt, that's what I will pick 99.9 times out of 100. So they're gonna send me another one, and I'll do a full longer review to compare this to some other dress shirts that I have. I've backed several things on Kickstarter, and I don't always like to back them, especially clothes, because you wonder, like, are they any good? Has anyone even tried these clothes? And guess what? I've tried it, and this one's unbuttoned here. This one is buttoned here. You even have the option of like how many different buttons you want, how you want the collar, if you want initials in there, how you want the buttons spread out up here, all kinds of options for the fit, which you can select after the Kickstarter is closed and they have done the funding. And I like to support smaller companies that are going up against the big guys, and they just need to do a Kickstarter campaign to raise the money to buy a whole bunch of this fabric. It's really that simple. It is not vaporware, it is not a crappy shirt. It is a nice looking shirt. Once again, the only thing I don't like about it is that it's white, and I have got a personal problem with chest hair that is poking through. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments below, and check out this Kickstarter. Let us know if you backed it, what color you got, and I hope to see you again real soon.